Hey everyone! Have you ever spent hours creating a great YouTube video only to see it get far fewer views than you expected? The problem might not be your content, it could be your upload timing. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful and overlooked features inside YouTube Studio that reveals exactly when your audience is online. Let's jump right in. Welcome to AI Pulse, where technology is made simple. In this video, I'll show you how to find your next viral video idea and find the best time to publish it. Whether you're creating shorts or long-form videos, these two strategies make a huge difference.
If you are doing it from mobile, then click on the three dots on the right side of the mobile screen and then set the desktop mode. All the work will be done in desktop mode. Then click on your logo and then click on YouTube Studio below. Your dashboard will open. Then look in the right side, Ask Studio. It will open. Now we will take new video ideas according to my channel. See here, Ask Studio. Hello AI Pulse, how can I help you? How can Ask Studio help me? Create a thumbnail for my long-form video? Suggest new video ideas? Summarize my channel performance? More suggestions. If you click on this, you will get more new video ideas like the one you are watching. How can Ask Studio help me? Catch up on your latest video? Summarize comments? Summarize performance? Refine my video title? Get inspired for your next content? Suggest new video ideas? Workshop a video idea about? Create a content plan? You can choose as per your choice on which title you want to make the video. According to my channel, I have given the title of 2 or 3 videos. Any one of them. See details, 5 most profitable faceless AI YouTube niches for 2026 profitability roadmap. Just keep doing it like this. Tell me more. You get new ideas each time, and eventually, your entire video script will be ready. Now let's talk about the best time to publish your videos or shorts if you want to get more views and grow your channel. The secret is right here in front of you. This audience activity graph tells you exactly when your viewers are online. First, open YouTube and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, select YouTube Studio. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, click on Analytics. Then go to the Audience tab. Scroll down until you see the section called When Your Viewers Are on YouTube. This is where YouTube shows you exactly when your audience is most active. Now, let me show you how to use this data to choose the best time to publish your videos and shorts. Across the top, you'll see all 7 days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Each column represents one day, while the time on the left shows every hour of the day. The different shades of purple indicate how active your audience is at that specific time. The brighter the purple, the more of your viewers are on YouTube. The darker the shade, the fewer viewers are online. The brighter the purple color, the more of your viewers are online at that time. Simply move your mouse cursor over the brightest section, and YouTube will show you the exact day and time. Once you've found it, schedule your video 1 to 2 hours before that peak time. That's it. Your upload timing is optimized.
Thanks for watching AI Pulse. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video. See you in the next one.